of President of Republic of Uzbekistan, honorable delegates from Uzbekistan and Pakistan, distinguished members from media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. I would start by saying that like the golden domes of Samarkand during sunrise, my dear brother, your warmth and your hospitality and your sincerity is shining brightly despite snowfall, and it is bringing enormous heat of brotherhood to our hearts, and I feel here sitting with a brother and sitting like a family. Thank you very much for your wonderful welcome accorded to me and my wonderful team. And it's not for me or for this team. It is in fact meant for 240 million people of Pakistan. Thank you very much. We are very grateful. Excellency, our two nations share a bond as enduring as the Silk Route that has long connected our lands. And most definitely, as you have mentioned in your wonderful statement, the bonds which have existed between Uzbekistan and Pakistan, they span over centuries and share a common past. And we all have read in our school days histories of iconic figures like Zahiruddin Babur, Amir Taimur, to the Sufi saints of Samarkand and Bukhara. This shared history is only the beginning. Our present day and future cooperation must also be of historic value. Excellency, it is a matter of immense pleasure for me to affirm that the relation between our two countries are moving in the right direction very positively and speedily, for which Your Excellency, my brother, you have played a pivotal role to really strengthen these bonds and convert them into relations standing on investments and, of course, trade. And as we jointly seek to advance the existing Pakistan-Uzbekistan strategic partnership, I find you a very valuable friend and a very, very positive partner. My visit to Uzbekistan at the kind invitation of my brother is continuum of these efforts. During our stay, we have enjoyed every moment in terms of receiving very warm and very friendly comments from our brothers. Your speech here at this function and your comments at our delegation level And before that, during one-on-one meeting, those words will be remembered by all of us for all time to come, because you spoke so warmly with your heart, expressing your feelings for the people of Pakistan and your ardent desire to extend your cooperation so that both countries enter into a phase of progress and prosperity unknown till this point in time. And I want to assure you, my brother, from the deepest core of my heart, that I know you are a doer. I believe in your capacity to convert words into action. And this is not just my feeling. You have done it in a resounding manner ever since you took over the reins of this great country, our second home, Uzbekistan. As president of this country, you have transformed this society like never before. I remember when you took over back in 2016, am I right? Level of poverty at that time in this country was 42%. And today it has come down to 8%. Investment, FDI, was about $1.2 billion in 2016. Today, as to 2024, it is more than $30 billion. Is it not a miracle of its own? Most definitely it is a miracle. But miracles, Excellency, do not happen through fiery speeches or articulating wonderful quotes. Miracles happen through vision, dynamism, and hard work and honesty of purpose. All these qualities are embodied in your personality. Your Excellency, I also believe in this philosophy of life, that there is no shortcut to hard work. My late father once advised both my elder brother